Alright, here's some air conditioners at a hotel that I'm staying at right now. Here's a train mini split. I don't know if it has the data. Oh, it's from 2005, I think. Alright, there's that. And here's one more. And they're both off. This one has no data. Here's a PTAC unit that sounds terrible. I'm guessing that's the fan motor that needs to be replaced. And then over here, we got a little Goodman. Oh, it's running. Doesn't sound good at all. Oh, never mind. It has a Copeland reciprocating compressor. That's kind of warm. It's ice cold. This is from 2000. I'm gonna have to go around the other way to get to the data. – 2007. I think it's like I think it's a 2-ton. Let's see. It's a 1.5 ton from 2007. So there's that little one. Here's a Carrier Weathermaker with the EcoTemp blades.
Careful, I don't know what these are.
What? Oh, I think they're just like dirt daubers, but anyway. Here it is. I can't really get to it. Let's see. Okay, so. Alright guys, so sorry about that. I accidentally stopped the video. Here's a big train Voyager. It's huge. Look at that. Yeah. Here's a Train XR. Oh, it's got 3 fan blades. Alliance coil compressor. No data? That's kind of weird. No energy guide. That is strange. I've never seen a Train XR with just a blink data. Look, no data at all. Crazy. Alright, so that's gonna be it. So thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and well, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out. Okay guys, so this no data Train XR kicked on. It might have just kicked on. So yeah. Thank you all for watching.